Hey guys, a quick status update, and more importantly to thank you guys for supporting our channel. We managed to reach 100 subscribers and we're pretty happy about that. Project wise, we have the F32. Thanks to some of our viewers, we managed to get a dashboard, so we're going to be installing that pretty soon, so watch out for that content. For Adrian's car, the E90, pretty much done, just a few fixes here or there. And for the E30, we have a few videos coming up. The next one is going to be the ICV and the voltage regulator. We also have a new project coming up, which is not a BMW, but it's somewhere around that area, so watch out for that content as well. Let us know what kind of content you'd like and leave us a comment. As a thank you, we will also be giving away one of our Carly adapters. Reach us on Facebook and let us know how we should be raffling this away so that we can listen to your ideas and stuff like that. Make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell button so you get notifications on new videos. So see you guys later, and go and break something.